Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Today we have this set here. If you see, it's the set for the pressure test when you have a radiator or you have antifreeze leak and you don't know where the leak come from. This is one of the tools that you can use it. You can put pressure in the system either by a pump like this one here, like this. You know, like you're gonna put it in. For example, this is a BMW. You're gonna take the side that you're going to use and you tighten it in just simply like this, and then you put this one here and you will pump it. Okay, as soon as you pump it, pressure go high, you know, the pressure go high, you will see that there is a leak from somewhere, and based on that one, you see there, and you know where it is, and then you can release the pressure. You fix the piece that is leaking, you put your product back. Look how beautiful one. So if you need something like that, you can buy it. I believe this is the tools if you are working a lot on radiators. There are other places also they have. You can check on Amazon, on eBay. There is a different company, different tools, but get the good one. See here. Be sure that when you open this one here, let the car cool down, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Thanks.